There's a repair shop 3 miles from my house that just updated their policy manual with a list of 7 specific vehicles they won't accept for service anymore. Not because they're too exotic or require specialized equipment, because profit margins on these cars are so thin that scheduling them means turning away more profitable work. I'm talking about vehicles so reliable, so simple to maintain, and so well documented that owners can handle 90% of service themselves using YouTube tutorials and basic tools from Harbor Freight. These 7 cars represent everything wrong with the modern automotive repair business model from a shop owner's perspective. They don't break often enough to generate steady revenue. Parts are cheap and readily available through online suppliers. DIY communities share detailed repair procedures, eliminating the mystery that justifies diagnostic fees. When these roll into service bays, mechanics see oil changes in tire rotations, not the transmission rebuilds, engine replacements, and electrical diagnostics that actually pay the bills. Let me show you the 7 vehicles that repair shops secretly hate because they're too damn reliable. Subscribe to Car Care Nest and hit notifications immediately, because we're exposing the vehicles that garages refuse to work on because they never break. And this knowledge will save you thousands over ownership. Number 1. Honda Civic, 1996-2000, 6th generation. 6th generation Civics are nightmare customers for repair shops. That D16 1.6-liter engine is so simple that teenagers rebuild them in apartment parking lots using hand tools. Timing belt replacement, the most profitable scheduled maintenance, costs $40 in parts and takes 2 hours following online tutorials. Transmission fluid changes or drain and fill procedures requiring 0 special equipment. Suspension components are McPherson struts with basic bolt-on replacement. The online community has documented every possible repair with step-by-step videos. Parts availability through Rock Auto and eBay means customers bypass dealer markups entirely. A shop owner admitted these generate maybe $200 annually in revenue. 1 oil change, 1 brake pad replacement if the owner doesn't DIY it. Meanwhile, European vehicles averaging $3,000 annually in repairs sit waiting. Shops lose money scheduling Civics because bay time could accommodate more profitable work. The mechanical simplicity that makes these reliable makes them unprofitable for service departments. Number 2. Toyota Corolla, 2003-2008, 9th generation. 9th generation Corollas with 1.8-liter 1ZZV engines are financial disasters for repair shops. These need oil changes every 5,000 miles and basically nothing else for 200,000 miles. Timing chains eliminate the profitable belt replacement service. Brake pads last 80,000 miles because the car is lightweight. Suspension components rarely fail because engineering is conservative. When something does break, parts cost pocket change through online suppliers. The most common repairs: alternator replacement around 150,000 miles, $200 total including parts and labor. Compare that to German sedans needing 4-figure repairs every 20,000 miles. A transmission specialist told me he actively refers car loaners to quick lube places because there's no money in servicing vehicles that don't break. The reliability Toyota engineered to build their reputation simultaneously destroyed service department profitability. Number 3. Mazda 3 2010-2013, 2nd generation. 2nd gen Mazda 3 sedans fly under radar because Mazda's brand perception doesn't command Toyota loyalty, but mechanically, they're equally bulletproof. The 2.0-liter and 2.5-liter Skyactiv engines are naturally aspirated simplicity, requiring only oil changes. Timing chains last the engine's life. 5-speed and 6-speed automatics are conventional planetary designs that survive with basic fluid changes. Suspension uses quality components lasting 150,000 miles. When repairs are needed, parts interchange with Ford Focus components, keeping costs low. The DIY community figured out these are essentially rebadge Focus platforms with better quality control. A shop manager admitted Mazda 3 customers generate minimal revenue, maybe $300 annually, while taking appointment slots that could accommodate more profitable European vehicles requiring constant attention and expensive dealer-only parts. Number 4. Subaru Outback 2020-14, 4th generation. 4th-gen Outbacks with 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engines avoided the head gasket issues plaguing earlier Subarus, creating reliable platforms that shops can't profit from. The FB25 engine uses revised gaskets and improved cooling, eliminating the catastrophic failures that generated steady revenue from older models. Chevy T transmission is surprisingly durable in these years with proper fluid changes, something owners can DIY for $80. All-wheel drive system is Subaru's mechanical advantage, but also mechanically simple, requiring only differential fluid changes. Suspension components last because they're sized for payload abuse. When something breaks, the Subaru community has documented every repair procedure with detailed videos. Parts availability through aftermarket suppliers is comprehensive. A Subaru specialist told me he misses pre-2010 models because head gasket replacements were guaranteed revenue every 90,000 miles. Modern Outbacks just don't break enough to justify maintaining Subaru expertise. Number 5. Ford Crown Victoria 2003-2011 Panther Platform. Late Panther Platform Crown Vics are too simple for modern repair shops to profit from. That 6-liter modular V8 was designed for police and taxi duty. Oil changes and spark plugs every 100,000 miles are the only requirements. 4-speed automatic transmission is ancient AO design lasting 500,000 miles with basic fluid changes. Body-on-frame construction means suspension work is straightforward bolt-on replacement. Parts are cheaper than economy cars because Ford sold millions, and aftermarket support is comprehensive. Any mechanic can work on these blindfolded. There's no specialty knowledge justifying diagnostic fees. A shop owner calculated Crown Vic customers generate $400 annually maximum while occupying bay space that could accommodate German vehicles averaging $4,000 annually. The fleet-duty engineering that made these reliable made them unprofitable for service departments charging premium labor rates. Number 6. Lexus ES330 TOD 2004-2006. The ES330 is mechanically identical to Camry underneath, which means it inherits bulletproof reliability while being marketed as a luxury vehicle. That 3.3-liter V6 and 5-speed automatic are proven Toyota components documented past 300,000 miles. Scheduled maintenance is identical to Camry. Oil changes and fluid services following basic intervals. When repairs are needed, Chevy owners use Toyota parts at fraction of Lexus dealer prices because part numbers are identical. The ES owner demographic skews elderly and maintenance obsessive, meaning these arrive for service with complete documentation and zero deferred repairs. Shops can't upsell unnecessary services to informed owners with maintenance logs. The service advisor admitted ES customers are least profitable in luxury segment because the vehicles simply don't break and owners are too informed to accept unnecessary recommendations. Number 7. Honda Fit 2007-2013 Second generation. Second-gen Fits are repair shop nightmares despite being brilliant vehicles. That L15-1 5-liter engine runs 300,000 miles with oil changes only. 5-speed automatic transmission is simple, reliable, and easily serviced. Suspension is basic McPherson strut design with inexpensive replacement parts. The Fit community has documented every possible repair with detailed tutorials making DIY maintenance accessible. Parts cost nothing through online suppliers. Complete brake job with rotors and pads costs $120 in parts. Shops can't justify charging $800 for labor when customers can DIY for a fraction of cost. A shop manager told me Fit owners are most likely to decline recommended services after researching online and discovering work isn't actually necessary. The transparency of online information combined with mechanical simplicity destroyed traditional service department business models where information asymmetry justified premium pricing. Repair shops operate on business models requiring steady stream of failures, scheduled maintenance, and repairs that customers can't easily DIY. These 7 vehicles destroy that model through combination of exceptional reliability, mechanical simplicity, and comprehensive online documentation, eliminating information advantages shops traditionally exploited. When garages see these roll in, they see minimal profit margins in bay time, that could accommodate more lucrative work. That's exactly why you want to own them. The characteristics making them unprofitable for shops make them exceptional for owners. Low maintenance costs, simple repairs, cheap parts, and reliable operation create ownership economics that seem impossible in modern automotive landscape. When you're shopping, understand that vehicles mechanics don't want to work on are often the ones you should buy. Subscribe to Car Care Nest because we're exposing the reliable platforms that service departments avoid while selling you expensive repairs on vehicles engineered to fail. Buy what mechanics hate, maintain it yourself, and watch your transportation costs drop to levels that make finance vehicles seem financially insane.